For its simple interface and robust functionality, B1 Archiver has gained popularity among individuals and professionals alike for handling archive files with ease. The software is designed to work seamlessly across various operating systems, including Windows, macOS, Linux, and Android, making it a go-to choice for cross-platform file management. One of the standout features of B1 Archiver is its support for multiple file formats, including zip, RAR, 7Z, TAR, and its proprietary B1 format. This flexibility ensures that users can compress or extract files without worrying about compatibility issues. Additionally, the software boasts impressive compression rates, allowing users to reduce file sizes efficiently while maintaining data integrity. The software is particularly praised for its intuitive user interface, which makes it accessible to users of all technical backgrounds. With a clean and straightforward design, B1 Archiver simplifies tasks like creating, extracting, or splitting large archives. Rich has also incorporated features like password protection and AES 256 encryption, ensuring that users' data remains secure during compression and transfer. Another notable aspect of B1 Archiver is its commitment to accessibility and fairness. The software is available as a free version with all essential features, while a premium version offers advanced capabilities at an affordable price. This balance has helped Rich maintain a loyal user base and positive reputation in the file compression domain. In conclusion, B1 Archiver is a reliable and feature-rich tool developed by Rich, catering to the diverse needs of its users. Whether you're managing files for personal use or professional projects, B1 Archiver offers an efficient, secure, and user-friendly solution for all your compression and extraction tasks.